Okay, I've unpacked and it looks like it's all there. The tools, the screws or whatever are there, so I haven't actually checked the tools, but it's still wrapped, so I think it'll be okay. I haven't seen the wheels, but I'm assuming they're in that. Okay, let's build. Woohoo! Chair built. What do you think of it? It's so pretty. I really like it. Really like it. It's got, I won't use it, but there's like a little footrest here. You pull it out, flip it over, and it tucks back under. But there's the chair. And these got like, they're like air vents. You like it, Dace? But it's very pretty. Oh, and it's got a little lumber pillar. Let me put that on it. There's its little lumber pillar. I like it. And I tell you what was really nice. Let me show you. This instructions on like a glossy sheet. So clear and easy. Easy to follow. Absolute pleasure to put together. It's also got a QR code and then their little pamphlets. I've put several of these chairs together and that one was the absolute easiest one to do. Piece of cake. And they also sent extra parts just in case. That's quite nice too. That's it. Chair done. 10 out of 10, Efomao, love it.